Hi everyone, it's Wendy Lee. Welcome back. Today I want to share a haul with you. This is a Hobby Lobby haul. I needed a few things for a bee project and a circus project, and this was an online order. So let's get started. I'll show you what I got. So one of the first things I got, this was a week when the paper studio was on sale. So this isn't all just circus and bee stuff. It's random other stuff too that I saw while I was online. So I just got one of the Christmas basics paper crafting kits, and these were like $3, and it just has some plain paper, which I thought would be cute for like bows and stuff. So it's just got like stripes, and I really like this one with the little mini wreaths, and this one right here, I thought that was really pretty. And then it also has embellishment stickers, gemstone stickers, cardstock stickers, and alphas. Pretty good for $3. So there's that. Then some of the stuff I got for the circus project was I got these really cute popcorn boxes. So I thought these would be cute to like put some of the embellishments in that I'm making, or maybe little gifts. I haven't really decided yet, but I just thought those were so cute and fun. And then I also got these popcorn bags, which I thought were really cute. So, I mean, you could do a whole host of things with these. So I got those two. And then, let's see, I got a bunch of stickers. And a lot of these were new. I'd never seen them before. So I got this cute cactus because you guys know I love cactus, so I couldn't pass that up. It's a jeweled one. And then I'm waiting for the lemon twist collection to come in from a cherry on top. I pre-ordered it in April, and it's finally coming in. It's like I'm missing one more piece from it before they send me my order. So I got these lemon jewel stickers to go with it. So I thought those were cute. And then for my bee project, I got these, which I thought were so pretty. I don't know if I'm gonna use them or gift them. We shall see. And then I don't remember ordering these. You guys, I do this all the time where I'm like, seriously, I do not remember ordering these. I'm gonna have to go back through my order. They're pretty little stars, but I don't know. Then I got these adorable Christmas stickers, and they're dimensional. They are so cute. I love these so much. So got those. And then I could not pass up the suns and the clouds. I saw these on Mommy Loves Gigi, I think it was, and I was like, oh my gosh, I have to have those. I have no idea what I'm gonna do with them, but I had to have them. So cute. All right, let's see. Then I ordered these, and I'm pretty sure that I already have these. And when I ordered these, I thought I was just getting sunflowers, because I saw somebody just get the sunflowers, like just a pack of sunflowers, but this one comes with a bunch of fall stuff. So that's fine. I'll keep those, and then next time I'm in Hobby Lobby, I'll see if they have the sunflowers I thought I was ordering. And then I got these adorable Thanksgiving stickers, and I had to have that turkey, guys. Had to have that turkey. Isn't that so cute? Look at the pumpkin pie, the gobble gobble sticker. So fun. And then I've had this on my wish list for quite some time, and they were on sale, and I was like, you know, I'm just gonna get them. So these are the Crafting Queen stickers, and I just thought they were so cute. They'll be good to hang on to and like gift to someone or use in something. So I love the glue gun. So cute. And then I got these for my circus project. I just love that clown throwing the balls up in the air. I think it's so cute. And the monkey with the rings. Adorable. And I thought these would be different when I ordered these. They're envelopes, and they're holo envelopes, and I don't know, they're kind of cool, right? And I got these for my bee project, and then just to have, because I thought they were so cute. So these are just thank you cards with little bees on them. And then I got this cute little bee sticker, and I got these Christmas jewel tree stickers. And oh, I got these really cute charms, these snowflake charms for Christmas time. And then I got these really pretty monstera leaves. What are these called? These are just called floral embellishments. And then I got these adorable bee stickers, you guys. Look at the one that says, "Hey honey," at the bottom with the bee poking out of the honey pot. Oh my gosh, or out of the honeycomb. And then the other bee at the top is so cute. Oh my gosh, I just love these so much. They're so cute. And then I got these adorable little Christmas penguins. And let's see. Then I got some more of this white twine with the gold in it, and a bee themed washi tape pair, and another one that's a little bit thinner. And then I got these super cute little pumpkin buttons, and you can always chop the back off of them and stick them on a project, which is what I do all the time. So yeah, that's everything that I got from Hobby Lobby. I just wanted to share a quick haul with you guys, and hope you're all doing great. Thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you soon. Take care. Bye.